spumante making from the Myra vineyard.
Perfect.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
pick the grapes.
And maybe the
off
production
weekend.
will be 7 bottles of
Spumante?
spumante and 7 bottles of wine.
No. Wouldn't
Yes.
that be fantastic?
Fantastico.
Wow.
3
Yeah.
crazy. Harry, Orazio, and John. Very
And you're not too far
no.
behind. You're also crazy.
You know.
Well, here we are, episode 101. And it is a continuation on it's the second video on a 4 video series on a 59-year dream of starting a vineyard and living in Sicily. It's been fantastic. It's a great ride. You'll enjoy it.
Here we're going to show you about hand pressing the grapes with a 100-year-old press.
22? Yeah,
Kilos.
22 kilos. Wow, okay, perfect.
Plus a liter of, we put into the freezer to save for making champagne.
And it ferments in there and it creates champagne. We're going to show you how to do that too, but not on this one. Orazio, tell us how he does it, how he explains it.
He talks, in this video, he talks about the winemaking process and some of the regulations of the DOC Etna wines.
Yes.
And we're not a DOC designated wine yet.
Stay right there. Watch this video. You'll love it.
But yeah,
Right?
great.
Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.
That's very good.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
Next year,
Yes.
the price for this spumante next year will be 75 euro per bottle. Put 150 grams of sugar.
Sugar.
On European regulation
Yes.
to protect
Yes.
competition,
Yes. Okay.
to put sugar
It's no good.
is prohibited.
Yes, exactly. But for us,
Not because it's bad, because it's sugar,
but they say
but
no.
because you raise the degree of the alcohol artificially.
Yes.
You know, so it's not good for the competition. You
That's
know?
right.
But since we have no competition,
We don't have.
and
yet.
our
Not yet.
champagne or spumante will be 11.5 percentage by volume,
Okay.
we will put 150 grams of sugar to raise to 12.
We want 12.
We want 12. Our Myra spumante needs to be 12
Yes,
all the
right.
time.
All the time. For
Okay,
sure.
okay.
And the wine too.
And the wine too.
And what does that give? Like 12
What's
is a
the alcohol
measure.
level?
What
13
is
then
that?
or 12?
12.
Is that an alcohol,
Alcohol-
level?
That's an
12
alcohol level.
percent?
12% by volume.
Okay.
And I think that the Myra's spumante made from Caricante is a good name.
That's
love
very
it.
good.
Yeah.
Yes,
I love
absolutely.
it.
Next
Beautiful.
year,
Yes.
the price for this spumante next year will be 75 euro per bottle at least.
For sure.
Whoa.
Because it's perfect. We did it by hand.
We did by hand.
Wow.
We
And
did
it's-
by hand. We each one
exactly.
by hand.
And there's no garbage in here. No
No,
stamps.
no
nothing.
chemical,
No
no
chemical,
salt,
Nothing. It's
no
biological.
sulfites, no salts, nothing.
Biological.
Very biological. 75 is just for France.
Yes. For resale, 150 euros.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, but I want to see a video at the Cherry Hill
Drinking.
when you go back again in June, July, whatever.
Ready? Good morning. This is the famous stir stick. You have to stir this 3 times a day. You know what this reminds me of? Making wine with your dad, Bernie.
Yeah, absolutely.
And
Yeah.
there we stomped. We stomped by getting in the barrel and stomping. And Sean, when he was just a little nipper like this, he was helping make wine.
Wonder if he remembers that.
You can smell the aroma coming off of there already.
Done?
Done. comes the vino.
48 hours, no?
48 hours later. Had to go inside because it was too cold last night. 100 years old.
At least 100. 23 years older than Orazio. On top of this?
I think there are 3. How many are on the side? 2 or 3?
There are 3 on the side.
Yeah, 3 and 3.
So what Orazio does is he centers to make sure.
You send it to make sure that everything goes down.
Yeah.
Oh.
When the head goes down, it has to press
It has to
the
press
grape
this.
down. The 2
Separate.
wedges.
One
and
is
then
that way?
They tick, tick, tick.
Yeah,
tick,
one is
tick,
that way?
goes down.
And the
yeah.
other one is the other way?
Yeah.
It's a wedge that has, see how it's,
That's a small
see, and this one
press.
goes the other way, see?
It's a small
Yeah.
press for a small amount.
Yeah.
Leaning on my 4x4, right outside some old dollar store. Fell into a fit of fantasy, pulled my truck over into a motel and fell asleep.
21 kilo. 21 kilo in there that we did.
Okay.
We picked 20, they picked 22.
Right.
And by the time we cleaned everything, we had 21 left.
Important.
Important. Okay.
Qua.
Tipo mangiamo.
Allora ora leviamo questo.
You take out?
Leviamo questo lo mettiamo qua e mettiamo là
Okay.
dentro.
No problem.
This work is because we made a mistake.
Orazio,
The net should have been put in.
Orazio made a mistake.
No, we didn't.
Orazio, ci deve dire a John che questo non è regolare, perciò da filmare è sbagliato.
Certo.
Peppy caught the fact that, oh, where's the net?
Di
We have to take it apart.
che stiamo facendo.
No, this does not apply. Non si applica questo.
We planned it that way.
Questo è extra.
This is the new way.
Stiamo facendo
No,
This is
no,
the new way.
No, no.
This is not the new way. Pepe says, this is importante. Importante? Important.
importance
Yeah.
is
Oh, yes. Yes.
escono da qua.
Too many holes. Back in it goes, Johnny.
Orazio, stiamo facendo il replay.
This way.
Replay.
There we go.
This is Orazio. We fixed Orazio's mistake. He couldn't see.
This is historical because this is the first.
This is
Historical.
how we straight.
First time we made
It's
spumante.
historical.
Historical. A spumante.
Level it off a little bit. In goes the first one.
C'è messo cosa che sta colando?
Your dragons in the lion's den, and wetland angel wrote this song for me.
Okay, now it's flat. See?
That's an historical video because the first time we make a wine at Mayra's vineyard.
Exactly. And
this
we're going to make spumante.
Spumante.
Not just wine, but spumante.
Ancora Orazio, questo spumante è teorico.
Ancora è teorico,
Yeah, see. 10.
Right
10? Where's 10? How do you see 10?
now. Dove lo vedi 10?
10 is
He wants to go to 10.
Non ci arriva Orazio, non ci arriva.
here's 10.
Hold the damn thing straight, Orazio, for shit's sakes.
Ok.
Vediamo. No, ancora butta.
Vabbè.
Well, good?
No,
Or more?
More.
Oh, I can see here. Look. 10 is here.
Secondo la
It's
regola.
about 9. Right? It's 9 right now. See,
Secondo la
Joe?
regola dovremmo avere 15
It's
litri.
about 9.
Okay, so
Aspetta, Orazio, ci metti i miei.
Questi?
Orazio, prima ci metti i miei.
Yes, do more. This thing only goes
More
down.
blocks.
It only goes down to here.
okay, so,
So-
that
This only goes down a certain
goes
ways.
down.
So you have to block it up so that.
Right.
Stiamo facendo
What are these for? Later? On top? On the top?
Those one, they go on top. But we need liter, maybe more.
Should be 15 liters. That's it.
15 liter, we don't make a 10 liter spumante, 5 liter one.
John, I'm working with
ci ho messo tutti i piccolini.
100 years old.
Non ci abbastanza.
78, 79.
Peppy the winemaker.
74.
It's 70, no, 76.
You're 76?
Yeah, I am.
Chi è sto?
Allora, l'asta.
Non c'era che più lungo.
Ma chi da ieri? Non posso.
No, ma non dare caccia.
Okay, that's here.
No, no.
No, no, more. Turn more. More. This.
At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore, I'd like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
A little more.
Andare buono.
Good.
This is a hard.
That one isn't easy. Why did you get the easy part? Ok, grazie.
Puoi puntare, per questo sì.
You measured that?
Maia, togliti da lì. Che fai danno?
Ok.
I thought that this year we would make only 4 or 5 liters the most.
But now,
We made double.
double. Double. What, how do you say double?
Doppio.
Doppio.
Allora mettiamo.
Totale.
Oh,
12 in totale? 12 liters?
guarda, questo più questo tende,
Yes.
più questo.
12.
So 12 liters in total.
Però
12 liters of wine
Però-
from 21
one lì chiede a mia.
Yeah. It's total 12, but we have 1 liter frozen.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. So,
Questo è quando è.
15. 10,
10,
12.
12,
Ah,
and then
This
15. So this goes in a glass bottle now like this, and how long does it sit in the glass bottle?
no, this no.
No?
No.
Okay.
Questo
Ah. Okay. Oh, like this for the...
un preservativo.
Oh, this is condom. This condom, so when the
What happened here is
when the
that
gas.
the gas come out and oxygen won't go in.
Oh, okay. And it stays like this now till January?
Till January?
January, on the bottom, get down all the deposit.
Ah, all
So it would
October.
be, put in another.
So October, November, December, January.
What we will bottle April.
A dicembre quando vengo io, ragazzi.
No, lo traversiamo,
Sì.
ma lo bottigliamo in aprile.
Vabbè, che tutto
We bottle in April.
per travasare.
Ok,
Io dico per travasare.
Oh,
April.
okay. We'll be back in April. Yeah.
Ora Orazio, ora Orazio, se riesci ora a partire la fermentazione,
Where do we put it?
questo qua,
No, dove lo mettiamo? Quello è il posto. Una casita, una casita di legno.
però attenzione che non ci arrivi e rompo tutte cose, giusto?
Se
No, non puoi mettere un corridoio.
lo corridoio.
So where are we storing
Ora
this?
ci trovo,
We'll
ora
discuss
ci
that.
più spazio.
We can put it up top, so you check it out.
Yeah, that's we can put it.
We can watch it until the end of November.
They're all saluting.
Aspetta, facciamo vedere.
They're all saluting.
That's what happened with the globe.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. There we go.
So at the beginning he says one
Così, ok, così, ok.
To avoid to blow up.
Poi a poco a
Okay, I
poco,
just wanna get that again.
a poco,
Some more shit.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay.
quando old.
Oh,
First, when young, then
Sei young,
yes.
sei old.
Oh yeah. Orazio?
no young.
Orazio così, così, va bene così, no vado, quanto è chi? Va bene
Orazio
così,
still thinks
ti va
he's
bene
young.
così.
Is it drooping a little bit, Orazio?
All
Is it drooping a little bit?
every language means the same thing. We understand.
Io sta già fino a 9.
Rise up.
Joni?
Stay tuned for the third video on starting a vineyard, which is episode 102. It's all about the timeline from the birth of the idea for a vineyard to the first harvest.
Perfect. Ciao.
Ciao.